Jocelyn Snow, and this is the Moto Pockets Top Case Bag. This comes with me on all my great adventures. Made in the USA, it's a super cool, handy bag to have. It velcros just inside your top box, like this, and it stays there. Doesn't matter how rough the terrain, it's always right there when I get where I'm going. Installation's easy. It comes with 2 Velcro straps on the back. You get an alcohol swab pad. You wipe down the inside of your pannier box lid with the alcohol pad. Pull off the 2 Velcro straps. Peel the 3M. Now these are always nice when they're a bit warmer. And cold weather isn't so good. So bring your bike on inside and warm these up a bit. And as you can see, I've already done it here with my bag. It makes it super easy to install. The Moto Pockets Top Case Bag comes in 2 colors, as you see, bright orange and black. Now what do you use this thing for? Well, I like to put my passport, important documents, insurance papers, registration, everything in this bag. When I get to a border crossing, it's so easy to just take it off, lock my box back up, and hand it off to the officials.